Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, you are going to learn external CSS, how to use external CSS forms, how to integrate with our multiple HTML forms to the same CSS for entire project. We'll see about this lecture details here. See, when a browser reads a style sheet, it will format the HTML form according to the information and style written in the external style sheet. With the external style sheet, you can change the look and complete website by a single CSS style sheet. For this, you must include all HTML pages wherever you want to apply these CSS style sheet properties, and to be place a link button there, and you have to call with the reference of the like a reference place. You have to call this CSS reference. See how it would be. I'll show you the detailed explanation for this. External styles are defined within the link element inside the head section only, like a HTML form. You strongly remember this is a very much pretty important to know to apply this link. Here the HTML code and the link is presenting here. All right. For this, I am taking H1 and paragraph to our regular code. Here, yes, H1 tag and paragraph. I have taken here two tags. All right. And here to applying external CSS, what I am doing here to making it a convenient to prepare. See, external page to be created called like with the name of orgstyle.css. I'm preparing. Let's see how it is. Like taking, I'm going to like a CSS folder is here, right? I'm going to save this file to on the CSS folder. Now go to file, new file, and name it as save as, and press the save button, Ctrl S, and choosing CSS folder. Now here I am specifying the name of the file called orgstyle.css. Okay, now save it. Under the, like see here, under the CSS, this is a file orgstyle.css is created. All right, one within the CSS, what I'm doing, I'm adding how we have prepared classes, internal CSS, and all the things. We can make it as in a place here the code, and you will have in a separate external file. That's it, nothing more than that. All you have to do is the body we have prepared and the H1 we have prepared, or something like a making IDs, classes, and classes, many things, whichever your mind and whichever in internal, if you are placed here and making a link available at the form where you want to apply for the CSS, that will be applicable there itself. That is the very much pretty easy how to. Let's see here within the body like a head tag. You have to, here it is in a section of we have a written for style here. No, there itself we have a right for the link, like a relation with the style sheet. By pressing the tab only it is came. I didn't written anything. This is the ID is having that facility. Sublime text editor, left less than link, like a link. I'm selecting link. Press tab. You see here type is text CSS. href link. href link, where is my file is saved, this is org.css under the CSS folder. Now CSS / org style dot extension CSS we have to specify. Save this, and I didn't written any internal code here. Have you seen? This is completely from coming from external style sheet. All right. So what I'm doing here, I have written for one is the body and one more thing like a header. It's a H1 tag for color navy, margin left is 30 px. Okay, save it and reload our page. Wow, it's a beauty. Using the external style sheet also you have learned successfully. By making such type of external CSS style sheets, you can make wonders at single place. You may have thousands of HTML pages of your project, but you are having one CSS, and they are asking you to change of your background color of all the pages. Simply you come here and on the background color, it is like a sky blue, no? Just place it as orange. Save it and reload the form or entire the project will be applicable like this. And you have seen this how to apply for external file, just simply making the link and relation of a style sheet. Type text CSS and href it is a CSS object org style.css. That's all. And you strongly remember that it is not only the particularly calling for one style sheet. You can make it as many links and you can call it as many style sheets at the single HTML form as well. If you are using single style sheet and you are applying entire site of your project, yes, it will be more helpful you to very simply handling your website colors and all the things at single place. I hope you are having a good understanding on how to apply an external style sheet. Thank you for watching this lecture. Thank you.